Every year, the Center for Academic Achievement holds a pie baking competition between all SMSD schools. Leading into the competition, East's team of 4 girls had to know their strengths and weaknesses.
We're kind of the dream team, so we don't struggle. But if we were to struggle, I think it might just be with like kind of running around, getting frazzled a little bit for just a second, but then we'll pull together.
Once allowed in the kitchen, the team split into 2 groups. Adia and Emma would focus on the filling, peeling, slicing, then creating the brine for the apples to soak in.
I have the hiccups because I'm nervous.
As they were doing this, Lucy and Krissy would handle the crust, first mixing the ingredients together, then kneading it out before chilling it.
It's going good. I think we're doing good and adjusting to the situation. At 10.
They are doing awesome. I'm so proud of them. Working well. Good job.
Everything was running smoothly until a time limit was announced, putting East under pressure while decorating the pie.
So it's 10:30. You need to have your pie stuffed and ready to go in the next 20 minutes if you're going to make the window.
So when they're done,
Which
what do I do?
increased the stress levels of the team.
I'm so anxious.
This wasn't the only setback East faced. A disagreement with Chef Bob created tension in the kitchen.
I'm going to be like the hawk over here because we have about 40 kids and everybody wants to come over.
I know.
Pie. So that's not fair, you know, and I totally understand your logic. The reason why I would put it at 425 is the thickness of your pie dough.
I just got a little heated there at the end because I felt like we were being very, not monitored, but like too monitored, like it's our pie competition, but head chef Bob was kind of all over me about my baking my pie.
After about 45 minutes, the pies were ready to be judged, and the winner announced.
So the winner is 2.
I'm a little disappointed, but I'm still glad that we came because it was fun. I think our pie tastes amazing, and it's #1 in my book.